Hey everyone and welcome. If you're looking to really supercharge your LAUNCH X431 diagnostic tool, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to do a deep dive into the HaynesPro Workshop Data License, what it is, how you can get it, and why you'd want it. So, let's get right into it.
You know the feeling, right? We've all been there. You're deep into a tricky diagnostic, you've pulled the codes, but you're stuck. You're missing that one piece of the puzzle. Maybe it's a wiring diagram, maybe it's a technical service bulletin that would just crack the whole case wide open. That's the diagnostic dead end, and it can cost you some serious time and money.
So, here's a quick look at what we're covering today. We just talked about the problem, that dead end. Next, we'll look at the solution, the HaynesPro license. Then we'll walk through the two different ways you can buy it, take a peek at what's actually inside that database, and finally, we'll cover all the key details like pricing and timing.
So what's the answer to breaking through that diagnostic wall? Well, it's all about integrating a massive, professional database right into your tool. And that, my friends, is exactly where the X431 Fix HaynesPro license comes into play.
So what is this thing really? Well, simply put, it's a one-year subscription that plugs the entire comprehensive CaratPro Car Database directly into your LAUNCH X431. Think about it like giving your already smart tool a direct hotline to a massive library of OEM-level repair info. It's a heck of an upgrade. All right, so let's say you're interested. How do you actually get your hands on it? The good news is you've got a couple of options. There are two really straightforward ways to buy it, either from a computer on the HaynesPro website, or you can do it directly from your diagnostic tool itself. Let's quickly compare these two. Buying from the website is awesome if you prefer to handle that kind of stuff from your office computer or your desktop. But if you want to get it done right there in the bay while you're standing in front of the car, then the in-tool malfunction is super convenient. It really just boils down to whatever works best for your flow. Okay, first, let's talk about the website method. It's pretty simple. You just head over to the HaynesPro site, find the X431 license, and add it to your cart. Now, this next step is critical. During checkout, you have to enter your device's serial number, so make sure you have that handy. After that, you just complete the payment through PayPal, and the ball is rolling. Now, for your second option, buying it right from the tool. If you have a compatible device, like a Pad V or a Pro 5, you just open up the malfunction. From there, you'll go to Other Goods, find the license, and hit Buy Now. Just like on the website, you'll enter your serial number, pay with PayPal, and that's it. It's all designed to get you set up and back to work as fast as possible.
So, you've made the purchase. Now, for the fun part. What exactly did you just unlock? You now have the entire CaratPro Car Database right at your fingertips, inside your tool.
And believe me, this isn't just a random collection of data. It's consistently called a valuable resource for any workshop, and that's because it's absolutely packed with the practical, real-world info that you're going to use every single day.
So this means you get access to things like OEM quality technical service bulletins. You get direct links from a fault code to related cases and confirmed fixes. You get step-by-step guided diagnostics walking you through common issues. And of course, you get those absolutely crucial OEM wiring diagrams for the big systems: engine, ABS, AC for both European and US vehicles. Plus, the whole database is constantly being updated.
Okay, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. We've covered the what, the why, and the how. Now it's time for the essential details you gotta know before you buy: the price, how long it takes to activate, and the terms.
The investment for a one-year subscription is $1,915 plus 19% VAT. Now, it's an investment for sure, but it's one that's designed to pay for itself over and over again in time saved and jobs completed accurately.
Let's quickly run through the logistics. Once you complete the payment with PayPal, just be aware that activation isn't instant. It can take up to 3 working days to go live. And here's a really important note, so listen up. There is no trial period available for this license. Once you buy it, it's yours.
So, when you boil it all down, the main point is this. You're not just buying access to some data. You are fundamentally changing what your LAUNCH X431 can do. You're turning it from just a powerful scanner into a complete all-in-one diagnostic and information hub. You're bridging that huge gap between pulling a trouble code and actually finding the fix.
So, I'll just leave you with this question to think about. How could having instant, one-click access to OEM-level data right on the tool in your hands truly transform your workshop's efficiency and its profitability?